The easiest seed to save, yes, I would say, is beans, maybe corn.
Well, corn,
sunflowers.
if based on what's crossed with the corn.
Right.
Yeah, sunflowers are easy. Yeah, most of the squirrels plant those for us.
Right, something that is, you can see the seed pretty basically. However, what do you think is the hardest seed to save? I would say tomatoes.
Tomatoes, you got to go through a fermentational process by soaking the seeds in water for several days in order to get the gelatinous slime off them. And then you drain them, and then you allow them to dry, and then you save them. Pole beans, bush beans, pole beans, for example, in this, we left on the vine last year in the fall. We came in the spring this year. They were still there. We popped them out of the pods, planted them, and they did just fine because in nature doesn't have little gnomes that go out and collect the seeds, bring them inside, put them in a little envelope, make them happy over winter, and then take them back out in the spring and plant them. They're out there all year long.
Some people do this system with tomatoes where they actually will just take a tomato and put it in their soil, and then they'll put like the top of a milk jug on top, like kind of like a winter sowing concept, and then that way they have tomatoes there. But then in that case, you would want to transplant some of those tomatoes or thin them out.
Volunteer tomatoes, but you never know what you get on that if you just let them fall to the ground.